and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a really pretty soft glam look that is perfect for a Valentine's Day date night. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright, so my eyebrows are done and my eyelids are primed. Eyebrows are my NYX Micro Brow Pencil with the Maybelline eyebrow fibers that I always forget the name of. And my eyelids I primed with the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow primer. And I also just set the primer a little bit with my e.l.f. HD setting powder. So I'm going to be using this LORAC Refined Romance palette just because this is a Valentine's Day tutorial and I thought, Refined Romance, Valentine's Day. See where I'm going with that. So I'm going to use this BAYJOY blender brush. I reviewed these in Wednesday's video. The link for that will be down below. But I'm going to use this blending brush and this shade right here, which is just like the lightest shade in the palette. And I'm just going to sweep this in the crease. Next, going in with the same brush, I'm going to go in with this light brown shade that I just put down in the crease. And then this shade right here, which is actually a blush, but it works in the eyes as well. So I'm just going to pop all of this in the crease next. This blush shade is just going to give the look like a little girly, feminine vibe. And using the same brush, I'm going to pick up this first shade that we put in the crease, and then this blush shade, and then this shade right here, just to deepen up the crease a little bit. And I'm really just going to focus this on the outer V area and really in the crease and not bring it up towards like the brow bone. Next, I'm just going to take this Sonia Kashuk brush and just blend out towards like the brow bone a little bit more because I really want this look to be smoky and soft. Up for the fun part, which is going to be the lid, I'm going to take this Stila Magnificent Metal. I guess this is the Magnificent Metal. I have no idea. It just says Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Kitten. This is just a really pretty pinky color. I just thought it would be really pretty for Valentine's Day. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop it on the lid, and then I'm going to take this concealer brush from BAYJOY and I'm going to blend it out that way because I do have hooded eyelids and I don't want it to crease and move around and all that fun stuff. Blending it out is also not going to make it so harsh and like heavy looking. I feel like this shade especially is very dramatic. So blending it out is just going to make it a little softer and a little more wearable. Next up, I'm going to use this eyebrow brush from BAYJOY, but I'm going to use it as like a liner brush today. And I'm going to take this shade right here, and I'm just going to use this as a liner for my upper lash line because I don't want to use a black eyeliner. This is less harsh, and it'll give it that like still girly romantic effect. And I'm only lining about a third of the way. And I'm just going to take this eyeshadow brush and I'm just going to kind of like smoke it out a little bit as well. Alright, so I just finished up the rest of my face. I also added a little bit more of this blush shade to my crease just because I felt like it was looking a little like too browny and not as like pinky as I wanted it. So it's like a nice subtle like pinky rosy shade. And I really like how it's coming out. Now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to use this shade right here and this shade and sweep this on my lower lash line. And then for my waterline, I'm just going to go in with this NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Light. And I always forget to tell you guys the shade name because I always forget that there's a shade name. I don't know why. Alright, and for my lips today, I'm going to be using this NYX Simply Pink lip cream in the shade First Base. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any videos you would like to see from me in the near future, please let me know in the comments down below. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments. If you're doing anything for Valentine's Day, I hope you have a great time, and that is all I have to say, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!